So I've been working out with Mitali for around 3 years now, and I was one of her first students. And it's been a really great journey. I think one of the first improvements that I noticed on account of these workouts was that my health had really improved. And I was pre-diabetic, and when after a year of working out, when I went back for my test results, I saw that I wasn't pre-diabetic anymore. So that's one thing that really kept me motivated to working out. So it's really made a huge impact on my health, on my strength, mental wellness as well. I think Mitali is one of the most, I've worked on and off with several trainers in the past, but Mitali is one of the most dedicated trainers that I've worked with, and extremely diligent, committed, very invested in your journey, very invested in your growth. So that's been something that's really motivated me much more. And also she really comes up with very interesting workouts, so it's never boring, it's never dull. And there's always something new to learn with her. She herself is, I think, so curious about this entire subject of fitness that she's always learning, always growing. She herself is constantly going for different camps and different training. So she's very invested in the subject. She's always learning more, and she's always adding that back to our lessons and our classes. So that's really one thing that I appreciate about her, that she's constantly trying to grow more and more and more and do more and bring back more and teach us more. So that's one of the things that I think I really admire and appreciate about her as my trainer.
I think I would like to thank Mitali. We've been working with each other for 2 years now. It's been amazing, her classes and session, especially the group classes that we have here. I think fitness has improved a lot, especially strength. I never knew how much difference it would make in day-to-day life, especially the strength training that she has been doing. And the best part is it's always different. No class, you know what to expect. So that's the best and fun part about her classes. Thank you, Mitali.
Hi, I'm associated with MeFit for 2 years now, and it's been a game changer. Being a mother of two and a working lady, I find it difficult to find time for my fitness routine, but Mitali has helped me a lot. She comes sometimes with high intensity workout, going crazy and all, and there are times where she does it we call it a spa session, where it's all on the breathing and stretching and all. So it's like everything is covered. It's a package. So I feel stronger and fitter now compared to 2 years. So strongly recommend MeFit.
I've been with Mitali for 2 years now, and she has made us more disciplined, more focused on our exercise, feeling much fitter than we were before. And she also makes it fun because every exercise is different. Every week it's different. She concentrates on core muscles in your body, and we can definitely find a difference. Thanks, Mitali.
Hi, I'm Renu. I've been training with Mitali for about 6 months now. And this is the first time I'm actually indulging in strength training. I've done yoga before, so it was a good transition to move from a yoga sort of a posture and stamina to strength. Her strength is like pushing people enough and yet bringing the best out of them without causing any injury or making it feel like this is just not doable. So I think she has this nuance of pulling the right amount of stamina from everyone and help them get to their potential. So thanks, Mitali. How are you? Very pushy. Mitali is a source of inspiration with the work that she has done on herself and the amount of passion that she brings for her work. It's a pleasure to work with her, and she inspires us all to get to that point.
Hey everyone, today I'm here to talk about Mitali and her MeFit. It's been 2 years I've been working out with her, and she's amazing. One thing I love about her is she makes us do different workouts every day, and she makes sure that we dive for that day, and she's super amazing. She being a group class, but still she gives us a personal attention where, if we have any specific issue with our muscles or pain, etc., she changes the workout for that person specifically. So me being the laziest girl in the group, I have been coming regularly only because of her and the group of girls.
I have been with Mitali for the last 2 years, and I have really seen an improvement in myself. I have become more fitter, more stronger, and I now don't shy away from picking up weights, 5, 10. So it's been an amazing journey. I had tennis elbow, and now my hands are much stronger. and it's all thanks to her. Thank you so much, Mithali, for bringing me where I am today. Thank you.